Name the arc named by the given angle. So angle KHM, if we trace that, KHM would be this angle right here. Now, unless we're told otherwise, I seem to be having some sort of issues. Oh, there we go. There we are, KHM. So if we're talking about angle KHM, most of the time we go to what would be the minor arc defined by that. So we'd say it's arc KM. So we'd simply say KM or MK. Don't forget the little archy symbol. Angle NMO, likewise, NO or on, either way. Angle CBD. Please note, we seem to be going with the first and the last, excluding the vertex. By the way, the vertex, because it's a central angle, is, that's right, the center of the circle. So we'd say that this is circle B, because that's what its center is. Now let's just say, for argument's sake, that this said the major arc for angle SRT. So this is angle SRT. When it talks about the major arc, oh, they must be talking about most of the Pac-Man, right? Like that part right there. And how would we name that? Why, SUT, of course. We have to throw that third letter in so we know that we trace all the way around there. And don't forget a little archy symbol. Okay? So it works pretty much the same way when we're given a central angle, or sorry, when we're naming the central angle of the given arc. It turns out it doesn't matter, though, because we could be talking about, whoops, let's get rid of that. Little typo righto there. That would mean we just say that this is angle RQS. Likewise, EF would be angle EDF. Remember, the center letter is the vertex, and in this case, because it's a central angle, the center of the circle. So UV, UTV would be the angle. And NO would be, well, let's call it NMO, and that would be the angle. Please don't forget the angle symbol, so you know it's an angle. On to something a little bit more complicated with numbers. So we know that arc DC is 80 degrees. Please try and bear in mind that circles add up to what? 360 degrees. EF would be 77 degrees. I'm just writing down. And CE, last but not least, right, is 115 degrees. And then they do something cruel, mean, and unexpected. FBC. FBC. We must assume that they're talking about this angle here, right? So that's going to be 80 degrees plus whatever this bit is. Now to figure out this bit, what do? We take, well, this is going to happen a lot, so get used to it. 360 minus 80 minus 115 minus 77, and that will give us what that is. So what is 360? 360 minus 80 minus 115 minus 77 means that that is 88 degrees. So this is 88 degrees right here, which means 88 plus 80 is what the measure of angle. Oh, sorry, I have a little bit of technical issues here. Would be 88 plus 80, or 168 degrees. That's it. So similar process. Don't forget everything adds up to 360. So if QP is 70, QOP, oh, that's just the same angle, so they're equal, so it's 70 degrees, because QOP is that angle right there. All right, for the next one, angle KJM. KJM. All right, I have the sneaking suspicion this is supposed to be a J. This is a typo. KJM is 85 degrees, right? And they want what KHM is. Now, KHM is the major arc that excludes everything, which means that it must be 360 minus 85, which is 360 minus 85, or 275 degrees. Okay, so QP is 70, RS is 79, and PR is 150. Now I'm going to go out on a limb and kind of arbitrarily say that we're going to need to know the rest of this. Let's see if I'm right. SOP, yes, SOP, angle SOP is this angle here, so we want this, the 70 plus. So we're going to have to do the same 360 minus 70 minus 79 minus 150, and that means that this piece here is 61 degrees. 70 plus 61 is 131 degrees. Okay, algebra. FEH, angle FEH is equal to 120 degrees. FGH, that is arc FGH, is equal to 5x. 5x. We know that this arc, however, that is the 5x arc, is equal to what? 360 minus the 120. So that means that 5x equals 240. And if we divide both sides by 5, we get 48 is what x equals. They just want x, we're done. Okay, angle TRS. TRS is 80. TS is 20x. TS is 20x. Hey, look. Central angle, subtended arc means they're equal. So 20x equals 80. Divide both sides by 20. X equals 4. And done. Last couple of examples here. Angle MHK is equal to 80 degrees. MK, arc MK, is equal to 2x. So here's another situation where we know that 2x equals 80, so x equals 40 because we divide both sides by 2. UT and UST, let's see. Arc UT is equal to 80 degrees. Angle UST is equal to 20x. 20x equals 80. X equals 4. That's it for that.